Why would I spend my money to have full faith and credit and the court don't honor it? Why would I waste my money for UCCs and the court not honoring it? What is I'm wasting my money to overstand in the Constitution if the court gonna do administrative process? What's the purpose of me getting a name declaration from the Supreme Court and administrator judge in city court telling me it has no validity? It doesn't mean anything. What's the purpose of me having the Secretary of State as my designated agent and they still contacted me, sending me directly mail to me when they should be contacting my designated agent, letting them know they have a valid claim on the all cap name? I mean, what's the purpose of overstanding the paper genocide, the 1939 certificate of live birth fraud, put your federal lawsuit in, to go to the federal judge, and the federal judge basically is helping the other people out. He won't even don't answer default judgment. How I put a default judgment in April, May, June, July. The federal magistrate judge didn't answer until 3 days ago. You tell me who's working with who's protecting who. And if you put in USC 28455 to remove the judge, how do the judge still answer you, basically laughing you in your face because you just put the jurisdiction notice in to remove it? Why would I be sending registered mail to the Supreme Court, understanding what the Constitution says about the Supreme Court? The Supreme Court is actually allowing the other agencies to violate the Fifth Amendment. The Supreme Court, I got registered mail proving that I went through the chain of command. I got registered mail proving everything that I undid lawfully. It just don't make no sense how you could do everything you got to do lawfully. Look at Secretary of State faxes, registered mail to the Attorney General, both of them. In New York State, they not doing their job. They getting the taxpayer money and violating due process. Look at this. May 9th, 2025. They don't even answer. I got multiple federal lawsuit cases in. And you telling me a judge go answer 4 days ago? Federal lawsuit, August 8th, 2023. Never got my mother back. Power attorney, healthcare proxy. Mother was brought to her demise. But I got full faith and credit. But I got certificate of designated agent. I got the Constitution right here. Registered mail. Claiming my Morris document. Registered mail to the federal court building. Registered mail to the Supreme Court building. Yes, I got a paper trail. Yes, I follow proper procedure. Yes, I'm not a 14th Amendment citizen. Yes, I'm not a U.S. corporation. Yes, I claim my Morris. I got my Morris documents and everything. They ain't here. See, I'm proving everything that I prove on my end, but the de facto corporation is still taking advantage. Why is the Supreme Court allowing, you see that? That said the Supreme Court on there. Why is the Supreme Court allowing the rest of the agencies to violate this? Why it say we the people, but we the only people that's being taken advantage of in America? Why do it say Article 5, Chapter 2? Wait a minute. I'm about to get there for you. Here you go right here. Article 5. The Constitution and the laws of the United States which shall be made pursuant therefore, and all the treaties. You hear that? All the treaties made or which shall be made under authority of the United States shall be supremacy law of the land. And the judges in every state shall be bounded thereby, and anything in the Constitution of laws of the state contrary notwithstanding. Do you understand that? So why I ain't get my mother back? Why is the city court judge being able to pursue me and the Constitution is right here? If I'm challenging jurisdiction, motion to dismiss constitutional challenge, 12-part council challenge, look at this magistrate judge been in default since May 30th, 2025. This other magistrate judge been in default. I mean, come on, man, make it make sense. Shalom, shalom, Islam. I'm exposing these suckers. They some suckers, man. I ain't got no mother and they trying to pursue a false statement case and I still didn't get justice for my mother.